Hi people, this is again Nettie. Okay, what you hear is pure rain. My gosh, I hope the light don't go out again. Yesterday it went out, but it was just like around 10 minutes, so it wasn't that bad. The other time I spent like from 3 o'clock in the afternoon to 11:30 at night. And it was pretty hard because when you don't have light at night, oh, I hate it. I don't mind in the daytime, but I don't like it in the nighttime. Plus, I can't get into YouTube or nothing, and I love going to YouTube. But as you can see, what I did here, I put the last strawberry. Hold on, let me get it out. The last two strawberries that survived the torture of the 32, they died. As you can see, it is in good shape, and now I know how to. I call it from seeds, what to do after they grow. Look how nice. I put it to die and it decided to live. So let me hang this up before I get to the point. Okay, I'm gonna bring today a new section, and I'm gonna call it what's in it. Okay, it's my first theme I'm gonna do is gonna be kale. I'm gonna bring in everything that, not everything, but at least what I found out, I searched about the veggie or the fruit, or, people are asking me for this. Why don't you do something like educational, what's in it and all that stuff. I had a nice talk with a friend, with one of my subscribers from Florida, and she was asking for this, and I've been thinking about doing it, but I hadn't done it, and I'm gonna start doing it. Why I haven't done it? Because sometimes I have so many things in my head, and so many things that I have to do that sometimes is a little tight. But this time I'm gonna do it. And I started with my first project, which is kale. Not the onions, but the kale right there. Okay, kale is considered one of the most healthiest veggies. Is antioxidant. That one I didn't get it here, but I have read about it. It's antioxidant. It's good for your digestive system. It lowers your cholesterol. It lowers your risk of cancer. It lowers your your diabetes. What's in it? Okay, let's see what's in it. Fiber, protein, magnesium, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, folate, and phosphorus. Then vitamins are A, C, K, B3, calcium, potassium, copper, magnesium. And how you cook kale. Okay, I'm gonna have to edit this because it's not going too good. Okay, but anyway, how you cook kale. A lot of people, what they do is they dry it, they dehydrate it, and then like they put a little bit of salt and things like that, and they make it into chips. I haven't done it personally, but I don't have much to do. They're still small, but I still take up pieces of it to eat. Like for instance, my puree that I did a while ago, it had kale and it had onions. So my daughter didn't know she was eating vitamins, and nobody that I used that on knows that they were eating vitamins and proteins and all that, magnesium and iron. But then I also use it when I made potato salad. I take all these the best ones there are, the best one that looks good. I cut them in pieces, in small little pieces. I don't put it in the, how you call it, when they cold. After I have all my potato salad all together, the eggs and all that, then before I put the mayonnaise and all that stuff, I put the kale. Why do I put the kale? Because the kale, when you eat it off like that, it's like bitter. But then when you put it in that the salad potato is still hot and you mix it in, it takes all that bitter out. And the kale tastes delicious. I also heard, that you put a little bit of honey. It also takes the bitter out of the kale. So I use kale a lot. You know, when I make soup, I add a little leaf of kale, whatever. You know, and I keep adding kale to my diet. Well, I don't have a diet, but to my things, you know, like if I make stew or anything, I add some kale in it. You know, and since it don't really have that bad taste or anything, so everybody eats it. So I just wanted to bring you this because it's true. You know, I'm gardening, and I'm not, and I'm telling people, yeah, do gardening. You know, it's economical. It's good for you to do this. But then I don't tell them why it's better for them to know what's in it. You know, so when you know what's in it, you go, wow, I'm losing out of this for my kids. You know, today cancer is killing people. Today, you have diabetes all over the place and high blood pressure and all that. So we need to calm down all this, and we need to eat more healthier. That you outside restaurants and stuff that you could eat when you could eat right at home and very healthy. Well, and that's all for now. And I hope you like it, this new edition that I'm doing. I'm gonna do this video, and I'm gonna start on tomorrow's next video. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another thing. Okay, God bless you all. Bye bye.